Next topic is immunoglobulin. Ready है क्या? हम 100 MCQs को गर्मा गर्म बैटिंग करना है 2 hours में, right? Then with this inspiration, you should go back, open up the book and do the review. Go to the onlinembbs.com video library. We have discussed DNB last 15 years, FMGE last 15 years, AIMS, PGI, all this जो भी इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन क्वेश्चंस हैं एक जगह पे इकट्ठा करके डिस्कस करके डिलीवर किया और पीपीटी भी अवेलेबल होगा आपको रिवीजन करने के लिए, राइट? सो predominant immunoglobulin in saliva. Keep answering doctor. आप क्या बोलना? जय तलाइवा. सलाइवा में क्या होता? IgA. Immunoglobulin crossing the placenta. गंगा बहती है. IgG crosses. Highest mean serum concentration is there for IgG because IgG is great. Grand. So it is the one which is highest mean serum concentration. Then asthma, allergic, it is the IgE which increases. And which is the Ig found in exocrine secretion, saliva, IgA is the one which is there. Barabar. That is how you should punch the answers like a Scud missile, doctor. Most antibodies, where are they produced? Spleen and lymph nodes.